Hi everyone. My name is Jing. Today I'm gonna introduce our project lab5 part 2. First, as we can see here has contained the lab5 part 1 and the lab5 part 2. So first I'm gonna introduce the service.json. So in this part, the backend service is developed using the Express, a web framework for Node.js to handle the HTTP request service static files and interact with the MySQL database to fetch the well-located location data. So the server using Express for routing and the OCIS middleware for crossing origin requests, so that is front-end communication with backend without the security issues. Expressed provided status file in the project directly so that web application can be accessed through the browser. So in this part is a connection of the MySQL database which store the well information, define the REST API endpoints wells that queries the MySQL database for all well information and return them to JSON format. And this is how this part works. And the next part gonna be the index.html. So in here, in this part in here, the HTML file serves as a framework of the web applications. It defines that layout with the two main elements, a map container, the div ID map, class map, and the pop overlap div pop up, class O pop up for displaying well details. So for the next, now we're gonna start for next part. It is CSS files. So first in here, the CSS file providing the style of map and the pop-up windows elements. So this file ensures that map is full wided and fix the height and style the pop-up windows. And for last part is the main.json. So first step is import necessary models from the OpenLayer library and also import the CSS file for like styling the map and the components. And in here, this part, then we use the overlay to display the information about the map feature. And the auto pen and the auto pen animation option ensures that map will be automatically panned to make the overlap full visible. I set up the duration for the like 250. In this part, in this part, uh, in this part, we're using the OpenStreetMap test initially the map with a base layer using the view set. The initial Windows view of the map base of the predefined location and a zoom level. So here's the fetch part. The fetch data from the local service about whales, including their name and their graphing, and for each whales, it create a future with points geographically to represent the local of the whale of the map. Those features are styled with customer icons and adding a vector layer, which then at the map, the layer display well on the map as the checkable icons. So in here, when the user collect the whale icon, the overline is the whale name and the geographic. And the displayer, if the user collect the map where is no whale, it overlay is hidden. So in here, the overlay can be closed at the collect the bottom. This action clean the overlying position. This providing a user-friendly way to dismiss the overlay after view informations. And this is how the code introduced. Now we're gonna see what is the screenshot looks like. So here's a screenshot for a web application. Display a map whale location. Here a overlay pop up that providing detail for select whale, including those name and the location. The whale icon are customer style and overline to design to provide the user specific information about the whale that was clicked on. And this is how our lab 5 looks like, part 2. So thank you for everyone. Thank you for watching.